Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we are going to be unboxing our spring FabFitFun. So, if you don't know about FabFitFun, it is a quarterly box. It is $49.99 plus tax. There's a lot of people who have codes where you can get your first box for $39.99, which is awesome. I don't have a code, of course, because I'm new. But I'm really nervous. It's taken me like 4 days to film this video, so bear with me. And let's remember in the comments, be kind. Please be kind. This is a drama-free, judgment-free zone, and we are just going to talk about makeup and our lives and enjoy ourselves and get to know each other, and we are going to have the most awesome time doing it. So, the first thing you get in the box is the FabFitFun magazine, and this one has Gina Rodriguez on it. I love Jane the Virgin, so that's awesome. You get 9 free meals, including free shipping from HelloFresh, if you'd like to try that. And you get a little thing about the Bite teeth place where they do your aligners and stuff. You get a code from FabFitFun. So let's open her up and see what we have. Okay, the first thing I pulled out is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings by This Works. Let's see what it smells like. It doesn't have the greatest scent. I'm not sure I would want to put that on at night and go to bed smelling like that. But we shall see. Let's see if we can find any information about it. Alright, 6A. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. And this is $40. Okay, we'll give it a try. I'm willing to give anything a try. The next thing is from AG Hair Care, and it's called Fast Food Moisture Leave-On Conditioner. And I'm new at this, so I hope y'all can see these things I'm holding up. If there's any lighting issues, if I'm looking at the wrong place on the camera, if I'm doing anything mismatched or mixed up or however you want to say it, leave me a note in the comments and help me, because I can't make this channel better and I can't grow or do anything else for that matter without you guys. So just let me know and I will do my best to change it and fix whatever I need to. Now that smells good. It's just like a clean, fresh scent. But I definitely want to give this a try because I have the thickest hair. You can't tell right now because it's kind of like on day 4 no wash and it's just laying there after it was flattened, but it is very thick. Alright, the next thing we have is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. Excuse me one moment. Leave me alone.
No.
My teenager thinks it's funny to watch me film.
It is.
So, this is what it looks like. It's nice and weighted. It's got the Velcro strap. If I can undo it. So it's going to fit pretty much anybody. And, I just seen this, it unzips. So, you can take this out and clean, machine wash the outside. So that's pretty neat. Let's see if we can find some information about this. Alright, catch some quality Z's. This weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. And that is $39.99. Ooh, did I tell y'all how much the fast food? No, I didn't, did I? It says, dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. And this was $24. I'm so sorry. Alright, the next thing that we have, let me go ahead and find it in the book, make my life a little easier, is the Purley's Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polish Peel. Gently resurfaces skin, smoothing, boosts radiance. So, this is what the packaging looks like. Let's see if we can get it open with my nails. Okay, and this is the component. Let's see if I can get it where my light isn't shining directly on it. Okay, let's see how this one smells. I smell everything, guys. Oh, that smells so good. Let's see. It's got the little grains in it. They feel very smooth. They're not hard or textured really bad. Just feels like little bits of sand, but it doesn't feel like it will give you any micro tears or anything. And it smells absolutely delicious. You can kind of smell the watermelon, but it's mainly just the sweet smell. It smells really good. That's 8B. Infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid, this polish will give you your skin a burst of freshness. And that's $35. So, I'm going to go ahead and apologize if I mispronounce anything, because hopefully you didn't come and click on this video for enunciation. Because I'm your girl. I'm not going to be able to help you. So I can't get this open, so we're not going to be able to smell it. But it is the Marianella Rosewood and Lettuce Cubia Body Oil with Mongongo and pomegranate oil. And I can't get it open. Let's see if I can get my scissors. Let's see if that'll work. Okay. Alright. Ah. What does that smell? It's very nice. It sinks into the skin very well. You can see it's not really oily, which is a good thing. I don't like anything super oily, but it does give you that hydration. And it smells like, what is that smell? Let's see what it says on here. Bye, boys.
Bye.
Alright, for the moisture and replenish the skin with 100% pure oils and vitamins. $68. I can't put my finger on what that smells like, but I love it. I really do. It's an awesome smell. I'll have to excuse me. My whole house is getting over a cold, and it's still in my throat and will not go away. Next thing we have the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. Okay. Okay, I love the packaging. It's plastic, but it's super cute. And it says, formulated with collagen amino acids, this treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. And I know that Murad's high, but I love getting it in my subscription boxes because it does work and it is worth the investment. This is $78 and you get, how many ounces? 1 fluid ounce. So yeah, But good skincare, I mean, you can get decent skincare at a decent price, don't get me wrong. But some of the really expensive skincare is that way for a reason. Alright, the next thing we have is Chic and Tonic silicone straws. 4 silicone straws, brush cleaner, and plastic case. So let's see what it says about these. This set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case, so you can sip your drinks on the go. And this is $15. We have these metal ones with the silicone tips. We each have one for our own cup. But it is nice that if anybody comes over or anything like that, this is the little carrying case. That's super cute. And you can hook it on like your keychain or whatever you want to hook it on. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this bag. Okay, so we've got 4 straws and a cleaner. We've got a mint, a pink, a yellow, and then a darker pink. So they're nice, fold, just wrap one up and put it in that little carrying case, and you're good to go. Alright, let's put these up. I'm gonna definitely have fun with those. Okay, and the last and final thing in the box, which is what I was most excited about, was the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. This is what it looks like. And I want to see what it says because I don't believe so much in this stuff. I mean, if it works, that's great. I'll get it done. I'd love it. But it's kind of gimmicky, I guess. And if anybody else has used this or something like it or whatever and it works, let me know. How do you use it? Which one works the best? It says, stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. Now, this is $68. It better do something. And I'm, you know, just as with any type of skincare or anything, you're going to have to give it time. Ooh, shine at my eyes. Yeah. Let's see. It says to hold for 3 seconds. Isn't that what it said? For 3 minutes. And then it'll turn off. So you're supposed to work on sections like my forehead is really, really wrinkled. So up here would be a great place for me to start. I do have a little bit of crow's feet and then my frown lines because they're not really much smile lines. But I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to see how it works. This is what it looks like. And then it's got the lights, the infrared lights and everything up top. But I'll come back and give you an update. Maybe in like, you know, a couple of months. And we shall see if we have seen any results. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you get in your FabFitFun boxes this month. And let's start a convo down in the comment section. I also have some boxy charm and Ipsy videos to film. So you will be seeing a good bit of me over the next week or so. But yeah, just drop me a comment. How are you? Did you get your box yet? You know, anything. Introduce yourself. Let's get to know each other. So, be kind, make good choices, and have a great day. See y'all later.